In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted CapCut project on CapCut PC, step by step. If you accidentally removed a project and want to bring it back, this is the fastest way to check the trash and restore it before it's gone for good. This is a simple fix, and it can save you from losing a lot of editing time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC on your computer and let it load to the home screen. Once you're on the home page, take a look around the interface and find the trash button. This trash area is where deleted videos and projects are stored temporarily, so if you recently removed something by mistake, this is the first place you should check. Go ahead and click the trash button. After you open it, you should see a list of deleted videos or deleted projects that are still available for recovery. Scroll through the list carefully and find the project you want to bring back. If you have several deleted items, make sure you select the correct one so you don't restore the wrong file. Once you've found the deleted project, click on it to select it. After that, look for the Restore icon. This is the button that brings the project back from the trash and restores it to your CapCut workspace. Click the Restore icon, and CapCut will recover the deleted project for you. After restoring it, go back to your projects or home screen and confirm that the project has returned. From there, you can open it and continue editing just like before. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second to refresh or return to the home screen and check again. And that's all there is to it. That's how you recover a deleted CapCut project in CapCut PC using the Trash and Restore option. It's quick, easy, and super helpful when you delete something by accident. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.